Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna put in a 5-frame nook for you. Basically, you want to split your remaining frames that you have, just spread them apart. It should be 5 if it's 10 frame. Open the nook up. This one's blustering full of bees. And set them in slowly. There's the frame of brood. Here's another frame of brood.
Dad, let me see it again.
Huh?
Let me see the back part again.
Hold on, I'm looking for the frame.
Oh.
Sometimes they're a pain in the butt to locate. There she is, come here. Right there is the queen, you see her? She's that one right there. She's got a long butt. So we're gonna make sure that she gets in there. I wanna hurry up before she tries to fly away. You guys see her, right? So I'm gonna put her in the hive so that I know she's in there. I already knew she was in there because I seen the brood. That told me that there was been a queen in there within the last few days. Especially cap. And here's some more bees. So basically you want to get them in there. We know the queen's inside there. So now what I want to do with the remaining of these bees is basically shake them into this hive. And then lay the front of this just in case for a minute. There's none in there, I'm going to close it. No, I'm just going to close it. See, there's nothing. Put the lid on it. Inner cover has a slit. I'm gonna put that in the back, down. You also want to feed your bees with either an entrance reducer or entrance feeder, a frame feeder, or a top hive feeder. I recommend a top hive feeder. I don't have one right now, but I will be putting one on this hive. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.